All right, hello and welcome back. Brett here with clickmail.co. So in this video, I'm going to share my screen with you and you'll see it here. So I've just moved over to the admin tab. And in the admin tab, you'll see that we have account settings. So, you're going to go there and change. So we're not going to go into all of these, but just give you the idea here. You can go in there, change the settings for your account. You can see who is active and when, and then user management. This is really interesting and a little bit confusing. It took me a while to figure this out with our team here. So user management, this is who can make changes to the account. Okay. Now over here, you have user management, and this is who can make changes to the container. So if you want someone to be able to edit the account, then you can add them there, but they won't actually be able to make any tags, which is really weird. So you have to add them in both places. So make sure you add them as an administrator in both places if you need them to, change the container. Now, if you're hiring a developer or someone to come in and help you make tags, you can only give them permissions here to manage and create and edit containers, but they don't have user management permission. They can't come in here and, change who's the users and all this stuff. So beyond that, we have settings, my goodness, settings for the container itself. So we have container settings, the activity of that container and changes that have been made to it, how to install Google Tag Manager, and we can import and export containers. So as you really build skill and you're doing this on a lot of accounts, or your team is, you can download a whole container and then go and upload it to another account if you've templated certain things. And that's where you get into the files tab that I was like, we're not really going into. Anyway, approve environment. So you can do different sandbox environments. None of this stuff I have still never used any of this stuff except user management, and these right here are pretty normal. So that's really all you need to know here on the back end. The complexity of Tag Manager doesn't really come from the settings, which is great. It really comes from the interaction of the tags with the websites and getting them to work, as you'll see as we go through the next videos where we're going to be building the account. So I'll look forward to seeing you in those videos. We'll see you there.